Okay, children. Linear equations, DAV, 8th class section, maths. Linear equations, word numericals, and discussing children. Fifth sum is there like this, children. Fifth sum is there like this. He's saying sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 11. The sum of two digits number is 11. Sum of digits of two digit number is 11. The number obtained by reversing the digits exceeds the original number. Reverse the number exceeds the original number by 27. Reverse the number exceeds the original number by 27. Reverse the number exceeds the original number by 27. Normally, in if one is x, what will be the other number, children? If one is x,
11 minus 6.
11 minus x, children. Okay, let me take this is unit digit. Let me take this is as 10 digit. Okay, so children, normally original number means 10x plus 5. Just to show you, I'm showing children this is unit digit, this is 10 digit. Reverse the number means 10y plus x. Original number means 10y plus x, children. Okay, reverse the number means 10y plus x. See, original number means 10x plus 1. Because this is 10th digit, this is unit digit. Okay, now you see, reverse sum of the digits is 11. Means one is x, means other will be 11 minus 6. Reverse number is 10y plus x, no? 10th digit is 10 into 11 minus x plus x is equal to original number is 10x plus 1. 10 into, children, what is 10 into 10x plus 1 second, children. So this will take it as x, this will take it as y, children. You will understand like that clearly. Please try to understand, children. Digits means x and y. Okay, original number means 10x plus y. Reverse number means 10y plus x. I am not confusing you, children. So because linear equations in one variable, we have to take only one variable. One is x, other one is 11 minus x. So wherever reverse number is original number plus 27. Wherever y is there, children, wherever y is there, put 11 minus x. Wherever x is there, put x. So wherever y is there, so 10 into 11 minus x plus x is equal to 10 into x plus y is our, children? 11 minus x plus 27. Okay, so children, let the digits be x and y. Original number is 10x plus y. Reverse number is 10y plus x. This, if you remember, you can do it in children. But we have to carry on some only one variable. So 10 into 11, 110. 10 into x, 10x plus x is equal to 10x plus 11 minus x plus 27. Okay, children. So what we will do? 110 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 11 plus 27 is 39, 38, 38, children. Okay. So this you bring here, this you take here. 110 minus 38 is equal to 9x plus 9. 110 minus 38 is 10 minus 72 is equal to 18x. X is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4, children, the other number is 11 minus x. That is 11 minus 4. That is 7. So what is the original number, children? What is the original number? This is y, children. What is the original number? Original number is 47. Reverse number is 74. These are 4 and 7. Like that you should. Okay. If you practice like the sums, you will get it, children. So we have to practice them. Next question. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 7. Surya, what are the multiples of 7? Surya, what are the multiples of 7?
Sir, 14.
If 1 is x, what is the next number of 7?
So 14, 21.
X plus 7. What is the other multiple of x?
Plus 14.
X plus 14.
Yeah, Surya, if 1 is x, the next multiple of 7 is x plus 7. Next multiple of 7 is x plus 14. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you tell now. Sum of three consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. Sum of these three is 777. X plus 7 plus x plus 14 is 777. Okay, how much is x plus x plus x?
3x.
14 plus 7?
Sir, 21.
21 comes here.
3x is equal to 7 by minus 21. X is equal to 756 by 20 by 3.
How much?
2.
1 is 252. What is the next number of 252? 259. What is the next number of 259?
Sir,
Sir,
260.
266. So the three consecutive numbers are 252, 259, 266 are three consecutive multiples of 7. Okay, next. Surya, sum of three consecutive multiples of 9 is 999. Can you tell this? Three consecutive multiples of 9. Three consecutive multiples of 9. Surya.
Sir,
X.
x plus 9 plus x plus 18.
So the sum of them is 999.
X plus 9 plus x plus 18 is equal to 999.
X plus x is how much?
3x.
9 plus 18 is
27.
equal to
999.
3x is equal to
27. 999 minus 27.
3x is equal to
972.
x is equal to
972 by 3.
x is equal to
324.
324. If one number is 324, what is the next number?
324 plus 9.
How much?
333.
What is the next number?
333 plus 9. 342.
Sorry. So what are the three consecutive multiples of 9?
324, 333 and 342.
Whose sum is
999.
99. Whose sum is 999. Whose sum is 999. Okay, next sum, children. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 7. Children, this is numerator, this is denominator. He's saying the denominator is greater than numerator by 7. Denominator is greater than numerator by 7. If denominator is x, what is numerator?
x plus 7.
X plus 7. X plus 7. If what is subtracted, Rishi? If what is subtracted? Rishi, if what is subtracted?
Sir, 1 second, sir. I'll see.
Sir, denominator is x plus 7. Sir, denominator is greater than numerator by 7. Sir.
Yeah. If numerator is x, denominator is x plus 7.
Sir, if 3 is subtracted from the numerator and 2 is added to the denominator.
Okay. So children, if 3 is subtracted from numerator and 2 is added to denominator. If 3 is subtracted from denominator and 2 is added to denominator, 2 is added to denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 5. Sujit, can you simplify?
1 x minus 3 in by x plus is a 9 is equal to 1 by 5.
Cross multiplication.
X 5 into x minus 3 is equal to 1 into x plus 9. 5x minus 15 is equal to x plus 9. So 5x minus x is equal to 15 plus 9. 4x is equal to x is equal to 24 by 4.
X is equal to 6.
6.
Numerator is 6, means denominator will be x plus 7. 6 plus 7 is how much? 13. So what is the fraction, children? 6 by 13 is the original fraction. 6 by 13 is the original fraction. See, children, numerator is x, denominator is y. He's saying that denominator is 7 more than numerator. If numerator is x, denominator is x plus 7. If numerator is x, denominator is x plus 7. Okay, 7 more than denominator. Okay, children, next one. Same like this someone. No. The numerator and denominator are in the ratio of 3:4. Numerator and denominator are in the ratio of 3:4. Which case?
Yes, sir.
3:4 means 3x and
3x and 4x.
if 3x and 4x. Numerator and denominator are if the dash is denominator increased by 3. If numerator and denominator are increased by 3. If numerator and
3x
denominator
plus
are
3 and
increased by
4x plus
3,
3.
the new fraction becomes 3:5. If numerator and denominator are increased by 3, if numerator and denominator are increased by 3, new fraction 3:5. Okay.
The cross multiplication.
Sujit, can you tell cross multiplication?
3 in 5 into 3 x plus 3 is equal to 3 into 4x plus 3. 15x plus 15 is equal to 12x plus 9. 15x minus 12x is equal to 9 minus 15.
One second, Nana. Rishi, once see the question. 9
Yes,
to
sir.
1, numerator and denominator both are increased by 3 only. Once see.
Sir, no, sir. Only denominator, sir.
If denominator is increased by 3, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So denominator is increased by 3. Now tell Sujit cross multiplication. 5 3s are
15x is equal to 12x plus 9. 15x minus 12x is equal to 9. 3x is equal to 9. X is equal to 3. 9. 9 by 3. 3.
x is equal to 3 means what is numerator? 3x.
3x denominator 4x equal to 3 into 3, 4 into 3. 9, 12.
9 by 12 is the fraction. 9 by 12 is the fraction, original fraction. 9 by 12 is the original fraction. Like that you have to do. Okay. So motorboat sums yesterday I told you children. 12th sum I'm telling. Motorboat sums yesterday I told you. Again only. Okay. So 12th question I'm saying. So children, 12th question is the distance between two towns is 300 kilometers. There are two towns C and D children. The distance between them is 300 kilometers. The distance between them is 300 kilometers. Two cars simultaneously start from these two towns and move towards each other. From here, one car is starting, and from here, one car is starting, and they are moving towards each other. If one car is more than the other by 7 kmph, if this car is x kmph, the other car is x plus 7 kmph, speed is 7 more. If one car is x kmph, the other car is 7 kmph, x plus 7 kmph. If one car is x kmph, other one is x plus 7 kmph. If the distance between the car after 2 hours is 34 kilometers, after 2 hours, the distance between them is 34 kilometers. Children, distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. So in 2 hours, first one will travel how much? 2x. Because distance is equal to speed into time. This is speed, this is time. And second car will travel how much, children? Second car will travel how much? X plus 7 into 2. First car will travel x into 2. Second car will travel 2 into x plus 7. And now 2x is the distance. 34 is distance between them. This is also distance. The total distance is how much? 300 kilometers. Total distance is 300 kilometers. Sujit, can you simplify this?
2x plus 34 plus 2x plus 14 is equal to 3x, 300. 4x plus 48 is equal to 300. 4x is equal to 300 minus 448. 4x is equal to
300 minus 48 is 252.
x is equal to 242 by 4.
63 kmph is speed of car A. 63 kmph is speed of car A. And speed of car B is 63 plus 7, that is 70 kmph. Okay, children, this is one car, this is other car. This is one car, this is other car. Okay. Next. The length of rectangle is greater than the breadth by 18. Surya, this is length, this is breadth. Length of the rectangle is greater than breadth by 18. Surya, length is greater than breadth by 18. Means what?
Sir, L is equal to B plus 18.
L is equal to. If both length and breadth are increased by 6, length is increased by 6, breadth also increased by 6, then area increases by 168. Area increases by 168. What is the formula for area of rectangle?
Sir, L into B.
L into B. Area is increasing by 168. When length is increased by 6, breadth is increased by
18 and 6.
what is area? Area means what? Length into breadth.
Length into. Yes.
Okay. Length into breadth. L into B is how much?
Sir,
L into B. LB. L into 6.
6L.
6 into B,
6B.
6 into 6,
36.
LB,
Cancels.
tell me 168 is equal to,
LB plus 6B plus 36.
but we know L is what?
L is 6 into B plus 18 plus LB. No, B.
Okay, so tell me 168 is equal to 6B plus 6B,
Sir, 112B.
108 plus 36,
Okay. 144.
bring 144 here,
168 minus 140.
how much? 168 minus 144,
Sir, 224.
B is equal to,
2.
length is equal to,
2 plus 18.
how much?
20.
So breadth is 2 centimeters, length is 20 centimeters. Thank you. Next question. Pravalika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
The difference between two positive integers is 30. The difference between two positive integers is 30. If one is x, what will be the other?
30 minus
30 plus x.
30.
If one is x, the other will be 30 plus x. Difference between, because this minus this if you do, 30 plus x minus x is 30 only. If one is x, the other one is 30 plus x. Difference between two integers is 30 means if one is the x, the other will be 30 plus x. The ratio of these integers are 2:5. Right. X by 30 plus x is 2:5. 2:5. Cross multiplication.
5x is equal to 2 into 30 plus x, 60 plus 3x is equal to 60, x is equal to 20.
X is equal to 20. Other one will be 30 plus 20, 50. So the two numbers are 50 and 20. The two integers are 50 and 20. Next. The sum of two positive integers is 105. Prodigal. The sum of two numbers is 105. What does it mean? If one number is x, what is the other number?
105 plus x.
Minus x.
Minus.
Sum. Okay. The integers are in the ratio of the integers. One second. The integers are in the ratio of 2:3. The integers are in the ratio of 2:3. Can you tell me cross multiplication?
3x is equal to 2 into 105 minus x
Okay.
to 210 minus 2x.
Okay.
3x plus 2x is equal to 210. 5,
Okay.
5x is equal to 210.
X
X is equal to 210 by 5.
X is equal to.
X is equal to 40.
The other number is
105 minus 42.
how much is that?
90.
93 is the other number. 93 is the other number. Am I correct? No, not 93. How much is it? 63. 63 is the other number. Next. A money box contains 1 rupee coins and 2 rupee coins. Children, 1 rupee coins are there, 2 rupee coins are there, children. 1 rupee coins are in, these both are in the ratio of 5:6. Means this is 5x and this is 6x. Okay, and the total amount is 85 rupees. Total amount is 85 rupees. So how to write the equation? 5x into 1 rupee plus 6x into 2 rupees is 85 rupees. 5x into 1 rupee, 6x into 2 rupees is 85 rupees. Sujit, can you simplify?
5x plus 12x is equal to 85. 17x is equal to 85. X is equal to 85 by 17. X is equal to 5. 5x is equal to 5 into 5. 6x is equal to 6 into 5. 25 to 30.
25 1 rupee coins are there. 30
2
2 rupee coins are there. This is how you have to do the sums. This is how you have to do the sums.